Hi guys, so back here with a little bit of a different kind of haul. It's kind of been a weird day. A lot of stuff going on, but I originally was going to do this review on a Masterpiece KO Dinobot, and my phone died about halfway through, so I'm not redoing all that. You guys can see it elsewhere. What we are going to do today is talk about Ghostbusters. So, um, got some custom parts here. So up first, I've got my Ecto 2 here. Need to clean this thing up a little bit. It's not in bad shape. I actually had ordered new stickers, but this one doesn't need them. So, excuse me. Excuse me. So I'm missing was missing the helicopter blades. I could have swore I had the hook in the seatbelt somewhere, but I'm not finding them. So I may end up having to go back to get some more. But let's talk. So one of the most commonly missing parts on this is the helicopter blades. So I got some replacements from Charlie's Custom Toy Shop. You can look him up on Facebook. Pretty easy to find. He's actually got an eBay store too. So I ordered these and thought they'd be good replacement until mine actually show up. So that one has a tab on the top, and this one doesn't. So I guess this blade can go kind of either direction. Yeah, these blades seem like they're a little bit different manufacturing style. See how there's a, can't see, can you? So this one, a little bit taller on this side than that side, and is missing that tab there. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or not. But it'll be just fine. It looks better now anyway. On top of that, I went ahead and ordered some extra parts. So let's see what I got here. So let's start with this bag here. So I ordered some fins for one of the Ectos that I'm working on. Like I said, they'll just be good replacements till I can find some originals, but till they come in, these are pretty good. But while I was there, I ran across these. This is what I was excited about. So, just looking them over here. All right, so, I guess you would pull that out. Let's see how these things work here. So you have this will go on that side. This will go on that side, maybe. We're not gonna mess with that side then. Let's try this one. And then the pack would actually replace that gun there. And then you got your little streams. So I got two different colors because I accidentally ordered two different sets of these, so I have plans for the other set. But this kind of gives the Ecto 2 a little bit more armament. I might wait until I have another one of those and do like one loaded up like this and one custom. Yeah, till then, that's pretty cool. I guess you could take and put that up in here. So we tuck that out of the way for now. Or maybe up here. Yeah, I don't mind that at all. Then you can double duty this thing and pop it on the back of a Ghostbuster. Granted, you'd have to cut down the pack, this peg here, because it doesn't go all the way. But then you would have dual wielding Ghostbuster. If I cross them this way, actually, turn the pack, I can go that way and do one this way, and then also got some other parts. So got a lot of painting in my future, I can see. So I have these packs. Again, I'll probably cut them down so they fit more snug. And then he actually has a handle on this one. And these are the animated style packs. And then we have our ghost trap, and it's actually got a little port on it, so I can snap on the ghost trap. Then I have some other little bits and bobs. So I got belts. And there are different size ones. Okay. So that must be for the fatter guys. And we got some for the skinny guys. Oh, and they're made so you can hold. I've got a PKE meter. You can store it on this belt, or you can hold it. And then we'll have a full set of animated figures with spare traps to boot for everybody. Then on top of that, I also ordered one of these. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I was originally going to put it on an Ecto, but I may use it for a different project. So, do need to clean up a little bit of, common stuff when you buy 3D prints. So, and go ahead and cut those things down, but until I know which exact figure these are going to go with, I'm not going to do that. I do have some other little bits. So we've got a little Slimer. I'll go with them. Wish I had a little bit bigger one. That one's a little bit bigger, I think. Yeah, he just needs a little bit more cleaning. These parts that are in gray are not from Charlie's Customs. These are from a friend who went ahead and made these for me. And then I'll just decide which ones I like better. So I got 2 different styles of traps. These are made out of resin, and these are either PLA or ABS. I'm guessing PLA, but I don't know for sure. Man, which ones do I like? That's what do you guys think? Blue or gray? No wheels on this one. Here's how it actually came out. He just threw that one in there for me. But he did make these as well. And those came out really clean. Yeah. A lot of work ahead. But we also, oh man, those look really big. Definitely Kenner style. But here's what they look like. Kind of a little bit more cleaned up. Alright, well, I'm seeing a big bag of work here. All of this stuff needs sanded, painted. I may not paint these belts, but let's see something. I'm just kind of curious how hard this is going to be. What about you? How much of a pain are you going to be? Yeah, that's knocking it down. Yeah, I can smooth those all out. What about this one? That ate it away quick. Barely had to touch that. Not bad. Those are going to take a little bit of time to clean up. Yeah. Looks like I got a little ways to go on some of these little boogers. So anyway, that is one of my projects that I am currently working on. So we will see you guys here whenever I get a chance to actually start working on these. So bye.